Strong black fathers intimidate the world, not because of violence, but because of presence, because of vision, because of the audacity to believe their children can do what the world insists they cannot. And few embodied this truth more than Richard Williams, the man who didn't just raise champions, he rewrote the blueprint of black fatherhood in America. When Venus and Serena were children, the world didn't fear their talent. It feared the man standing behind them. Coaches whispered. Journalists mocked him. The tennis establishment laughed in his face. Why? Because a confident, strategic, disciplined black father shatters the myth that black excellence is accidental. Richard Williams dared to believe, and that alone made him dangerous. When he coached his daughters without the expert guidance of white tennis elites, the backlash was immediate. He's crazy. He's ruining them. He doesn't know what he's doing. The same script used against Malcolm X, against Marcus Garvey, against Fred Hampton. Black leadership is pathologized. Black confidence is criminalized. Richard Williams wasn't perfect, but he was present. He was protective. He was strategic. He gave his daughters structure when the world wanted them scattered. He taught them confidence when society demanded silence. He showed them discipline when the streets demanded distraction. His blueprint is African. Teach discipline. Build confidence. Protect the mind. Believe in your children long before the world does. And the fear of the strong black father is universal. In America, he is labeled threatening. In Africa, he was targeted by colonial governments. In the Caribbean, he was broken by plantations. Across the diaspora, systems work to fracture black families because unity breeds power. Richard Williams wasn't just raising athletes. He was restoring a lineage, rebuilding something the world tried to destroy. He challenged the lie that black families are unstable, and by doing so, he revived a Pan-African truth. A strong black family is a revolutionary act. When journalists said he was delusional, he was right. When they said his daughters couldn't dominate tennis, he was right. When they called him crazy, he was right. The world eventually bowed to the truth. Richard Williams didn't just coach two champions. He exposed a system terrified of a present black father. If you believe our families matter, if you believe our stories deserve truth, if you believe in the power of black unity across the diaspora, then stand with us. Subscribe to the Jetson channel, where we protect our past, uplift our present, and build the future our ancestors dreamed of.